Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn a normal photo into a fun Santa gift animations where Santa appears and gives a present. This effect perfect for Christmas content, holiday greetings, or just sharing something fun on social media. And the best part, you can do it easily using an app called Dreamface. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Dreamface. If you don't have it yet, just go to Play Store and then just download the app from there. And after installing, just open the Dreamface and then just log in using your Google account, and don't worry about the payment because Dreamface offers a free plan with weekly credits, so you can try this effect without spending any money. And okay, next, after you log in, you will land on the home page like this, and then from here just simply tap on magic effect, this one, and then in here just tap on Santa's gift, this one, just tap on it. These animations where Santa shows up and give you a gift. It's super cute and perfect for holiday season. And then next, just choose or upload the photo from your gallery by tap on the plus button like this. And then next, just upload your photo that you want to transform. Make sure the photo is clearly and well lit like this. And then next, just tap on confirm. And once you're done about the photo, just tap on create. It will take one credit. Just tap on it. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, as you can see, the photo is now animated and Santa appears giving a gift like this. It's so cute and funny, and I think this video is great for Christmas content or maybe Instagram Reels, TikTok, or another creative content. And okay, that's how easy it is to turn your photo into a Santa gift animations using Dreamface. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.